Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying zoning and easement rules. This matters because local approval makes or breaks your project. Once you have deed and site survey, apply for utility and building permits, and buy required liability insurance. Reach out to carriers and tower companies now to request statements of interest and technical requirements so you can tailor the site plan. Make sure to document fees and timelines. That early paperwork speeds later reviews and shows carriers you are a viable host. Once permits are pending, hire an engineer to do structural and RF reports. This tells you tower type, setback, and collocation capacity. You should negotiate a lease that covers rent, annual increases, access hours, maintenance, and assignment clauses. Protect your property value. Submit engineered plans to the authority having jurisdiction and be prepared to respond to technical review comments quickly. Timely revisions prevent months of delay and keep carrier interest active. You coordinate contractors for foundation, tower erection, and power/fiber hookups. Sequencing matters so equipment can be mounted immediately. Work with carriers on antenna installs, backhaul provisioning, and final RF tuning until acceptance testing is passed. After activation, monitor performance and keep records for rent commencement. If things go wrong, run an interference sweep, verify grounding and backhaul, then file permit amendments or engineering change orders. That troubleshooting path usually resolves most activation delays quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.